Open Android Studio, create a new virtual device, keep default settings. Open Virtual Device Manager, click on three dots and select Show on Disk. Open the config.ini file with Notepad. Here we have to change some parameters. Set the hw.ram size to 6144 MB. And let the hw.gpu.mode to software. Save and close the file. Click on the three dots again and select Cold Boot. Now the launch animations are much smoother. Cold booting will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete. Cold boot will probably increase the thermal of the CPU, keep the device well ventilated. And the emulator will probably crash for the first time since we have modified its hardware configuration. Now close the emulator. And instead of cold boot, use quick boot to start. Now the emulator will launch in seconds. There are unnecessary apps that can slow down your device. We need to disable them. Long press the app icon and select App Info. Click on the disabled app icon and confirm disabling app. Disabling unwanted app will boost the emulator's performance. Disable all the unwanted apps.
Knowledge flows within. A glowing light guides his path as dreams begin.
Once all unwanted apps are disabled, now we will disable unwanted connectivity services, like Bluetooth and location. Turn off camera and microphone access, and turn them on, only when they are needed. This will help in boosting performance. Also turn off location services. Now turn off all the unwanted features, and settings, which are not required for a current application's needs. You can turn them on when required. Turning off this feature will reduce unwanted processor usage. Some of the settings include vibration and haptics, Google's password sync, app users suggestions. Also turn off the screen time in digital well-being. Turn off Google's glance, auto-changing wallpapers. Also turn off the app suggestions based on device usage. Turn off earthquake alerts. Emergency services. You can search more into the settings to turn off unwanted ones. Once all the unwanted features are disabled, restart your computer. Open Android Studio. The CPU will spike up to 100%. Wait for CPU to calm down. Now the thermals are also in control. Now start the Android virtual device. Now the emulator will launch in seconds. The CPU will spike up to 100%. Wait for CPU to calm down. You can run any application smoothly.
Knowledge flows with within. A glowing light guides his path as dreams begin. Like a bulb of endless power, forever steady.
To keep the stable performance, always shut down the virtual Android emulator before closing Android Studio. If you have come so far, here is a bonus tip for you. Use Visual Studio Code instead of Android Studio.